If you're waking up drenched in sweat at night or suddenly overheating during the day for no reason, this video is for you. And no, you're not broken, and you're definitely not alone. Hi, and welcome to Wise Women Wellness. Let's talk about it. Hey, lovely. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm really glad you're here. Because today, we're breaking this down gravely, clearly, and honestly. Let's talk about something so many women experience, but almost no one properly explains. Hot flashes, night sweats. Those moments where your body suddenly feels like it's on fire, or you wake up at 8 a.m. soaked, exhausted, confused, or shelled. How long will this last? And is this just my life now? Let's start with hot flashes. A hot flash isn't just feeling warm. It's a sudden surge of heat that often starts in the chest or face, spreads through the body, and can come with heart racing, dizziness. And here's the key thing most people don't tell you. Hot flashes are not about temperature. They're about hormone signals in the brain. As estrogen levels change, especially during perimenopause, your brain's temperature control system becomes more and more sensitive. So your body thinks, whoa, we're overheating, even when you're not. And it reacts fast. Now let's talk about night sweats. Night sweats are basically hot flashes that happen while you're asleep, except they often feel worse. Why? Because your body temperature naturally changes at night and stress hormones can spike during sleep. And suddenly you wake up soaked, sheets wet, pajamas amp, heart racing, and then comes the worst part. You can't fall back asleep. And then the cycle continues. Less sleep, more stress, worse symptoms. So if you felt not like yourself lately, this might be a huge part of the puzzle. How long do hot flashes last? This is the question everyone wants answered. And the honest truth is, it varies. For some women, a few months. For others, several years. Research shows that for many women, hot flashes can last 7 to 10 years, especially if they begin in perimenopause. But here's the hopeful part. They can be managed. They don't have to control your life. You have options. Let's talk about simple, realistic changes, not perfection. First, temperature control. Use lightweight bedding and breathable fabrics. And try layering instead of thick blankets. Let's talk about triggers that increase awareness. Alcohol and caffeine are common ones. They can make you more alert, but also more reactive. Spicy food, stress, and hot environments can also heighten your senses. I am becoming aware of my triggers. Alcohol, caffeine, and spicy foods can set them off. Stress and hot environments make them more intense. Recognizing them is the first step to control. You don't have to cut everything out, just notice patterns. Stress regulation matters more than most people realize. Gentle movement and deep breathing can help you slow down before bed. Your nervous system plays a big role here. Some women find relief with supplements and non-hormonal options. These include magnesium, vitamin B complex, and omega-3s. These can be effective for managing symptoms. Others explore non-hormonal prescription options through their doctor. What works for one woman may not work for another. There's no failure in trying and adjusting. Now let's talk about HRT, calmly without fear. HRT replaces estrogen and sometimes progesterone that your body is no longer producing at the same levels. HRT is the most effective treatment for hot flashes and night sweats. It improves sleep, supports bone health, and may boost your mood. For many women, HRT is truly life-changing. HRT is not suitable for everyone. It requires medical guidance due to possible side effects. Your personal and family health, good or bad, it's a tool, and you deserve clear information, not pressure either way. If you take one thing from this video, let it be this. Your symptoms are real. You're not imagining this. You deserve support and understanding. Your body isn't failing you, it's communicating with you, and you don't have to figure this out alone. If this conversation helped you, subscribe to this channel. We talk honestly about women's health, without shame, fear, or confusion. And if you know another woman who's waking up at night wondering what's happening to her body, send this video to her. You might change her week.